So once again, we're trying to figure out, is it valid or is it invalid? Okay. This one says, some research scientists believe that Bigfoot exists. All right, so it's a sum. So I'm like, okay, here's the blue circle, which represents research scientists. And then some of those people believe that Bigfoot exists. Believe Bigfoot exists. They're the BBE. When my kids were little, I'd convinced my boys that Bigfoot lived in the woods behind our house. So they'd be like, we're going squatching, Mom. I'm like, okay, have fun. Okay, now, the next thing says, all who believe that Bigfoot exists are nonsensical. So these words here are still the orange circle. All the people who believe that Bigfoot exists are nonsensical. Is that a nice way of calling somebody crazy? You're nonsensical. Okay, so I have to draw a circle so that it goes around the orange circle. So I'm going to draw a green circle for my nonsensical people. And it has to go around the orange one, but the next thing it says is Angela is nonsensical. So my third premise has nothing to do with the research scientists. So I don't know for sure if this circle would go around both the orange and the blue. So at a minimum, I can do at least something like this. And these are my nonsensicals. Nonsensical people. Okay, and then I'm going to go back and I'll grab, let's go with the purple color again. And here we got Angela. Angela is not nonsensical. Okay, so if Angela is not nonsensical, Angela cannot be inside the green circle. So Angela is this little dot here, and she's the letter A. She could be there. However, she could also be over on this side, inside that part of the blue. The part of the blue that is not inside the green. And because of that, here's my diagram. Their conclusion was that Angela is not a research scientist. Now, if Angela is here, yeah, she is not a research scientist. However, Angela could be here, and because of that, it makes it invalid. That's an invalid statement. All right, what's next? Oh, okay, this one wants me to just fill in the blank. It says, some dishes are dirty, all dirty dishes should be washed, and then which one of these would make the most sense as the conclusion? So I would draw a diagram again. Some dishes are dirty. So we got some dishes are dirty. Well, dishes and dirty starts with the same letter, so let's put this as, oh, I can't even do D-I. D-I, D-I. How about D-S, dishes, and then this is D-R, dirty. Oops, wrong color. If I had a bigger piece of paper, I'd write the words out. Okay, so some dishes are dirty. Okay. Oh, crap. All dirty dishes should be washed. Okay, if the look what I did. some dishes, that's my green. You're probably going, what is she doing? Are dirty. So here's my are dirty. DR for dirty. Now, if you are in the middle here, where dishes and dirty overlap, this would be my dirty dishes. DD, because it says all dirty dishes. This is this area here. All dirty dishes should be washed. Since we're talking about water again, I'll go with blue. Should be washed. So I need a circle for stuff I'm going to wash. And I just have to make sure that the center that I just shaded in yellow and put in black, all of that has to go inside another circle, which I'm making an oval. And this is all the things that are going to get washed. So I can't say for sure that all dishes are going to get washed or all dirty things are going to get washed, but I know for sure all dirty dishes are going to get washed. So the conclusion that makes the most sense says, let's see, some dishes should be washed. And then all dishes should be washed. Some dishes should be washed. All dishes should be washed. Okay, my picture here, I guess I'll just use pink. When it says that some dishes should be washed, that would be this area here along with the pink or the yellow. All of that, that is that. Those are some. If it had been the second one, if it had been all dirty dishes, then I would have been looking at this with this and then this. Since I don't know which picture it could be because I only was given two premises, then the only one I can really be sure of is because I'm drawing this around that. I don't know if it's like this or if it's more like this, or I just know that all of those are going to get washed. So the most I can say is that some of those dishes are going to get washed. Okay. And I'm going to do this one. I'm almost out of time. So next, one more video.